What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We starting this one off in a rental car in Los Angeles already, man. It's been a few days. We've been trying to get them wheels on our freaking I-8. We was supposed to be going to North Carolina this weekend, but Jason got held up, so that held us up. So we won't be out there until sometime this week. So meanwhile, man, I've been trying to get the wheels and stuff situated with that. You guys know with 3-piece wheels and stuff like that, it's always something, man. So I'm gonna just leave it at that for now until it's complete. Then I'll break it all the way down for you. In the meantime, man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. This week off camera, we done dropped off some more parts and stuff for the Camaro, so that thing literally should be done pretty soon. I'll give it a couple weeks before it's literally complete, so that'll be cool and fun. I can't wait for that. Meanwhile, our 2020 Road Glide special paint set is complete, man, so we're on our way over here to pick this thing up. So that's why I'm in a rental car. I drove my Beamer down so we can get the wheels and stuff all like perfect. And I don't really want to drive that back right now to have to drive it all the way back in a couple days, man. So gonna get the wheels put out here. So we got a rental car. We're about to fill up the rental car with all these motorcycle parts. We done already ate and everything, man. So it's time to head up to Antonio's, check this paint set out, get to the house as fast as we can so we can get that thing on the bike, man. I'm so anxious to see how that thing is gonna look. Meanwhile, our wheels and all that stuff will be done when we get back. So this week, this upcoming week is gonna be a flowing type of week, man. I can't wait. Radio. Oh, hey, look at that purple on there. Oh, hey, that thing look good, man. It came out nice. Yeah, nice color. Yeah, nice combination, huh? Hey, that's funny. I was so caught on the freaking gas tank, man. I didn't even see my Camaro sitting right here. I literally walked right past it, didn't even look at it. Like, y'all think we should throw this color on the Camaro? That would be pretty sick. This with like a gray top would be pretty sick. Would be pretty sick, man. I'm digging it. Antonio getting cracking. Three weeks?
For good job, no?
Okay, cool.
Quality.
Yeah, quality work. Yeah. Yeah, now it looks really good, Antonio. Yeah. Did a good job on this, man. Gonna load this thing up and get it on up out of here. Just like that, guys, we made it to the house. Got our bikes here. Now that we got our paint set for our 2020, man, we're gonna take everything out the car, place it out, try to get some stuff figured out and finished today. Meanwhile, we gotta take this one apart because this one is heading to Antonio's next, man. So I can't wait. Let's get this stuff out the car and see how this thing is looking, dog. Here we have it, our paint set for our 2020 Road Glide special. I'll start with the fender first, as this thing just looked oh so jolly. Like, look at this color. Now, it's definitely not burgundy. It's more so like purple, but it's like cloudy skies right now, so it looked burgundy. But it is like a communion wine, grape, like real nice color. Of course, of course we got the fade on that joint. Y'all see the fade? Let's see, we can hold it without dropping it. Cool little fade, got it going. Looking nice. I like it, I can't wait, man. It's time to get this thing looking like something. Got our side covers here. And this thing look good. Got the gray up top fading into that plumish. Looking real nice. You guys gotta let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, man. This thing is pretty wet. I ain't gonna hold you. But we've been waiting this long, man. You guys already know what time it is. It's time to get this thing situated and get it together, man. I gotta pull it out. Then we gonna start from the back to the front, man. So let's see what we can get done today. Then I guess before we actually pull this thing out and start putting pieces on it, we can pretty much just start putting the bags together and that rear fender. That's the hardest thing to do. Other than that, everything is pretty much plug and play, man. So we're gonna get that going real quick. nice and easy. Got them bags together, ready to go in there. Got to throw in those bushings up top and in the bottom, but other than that, bags are ready to go. So that's gonna be quick. Now it's time for that rear fender, man. Alrighty guys, we got our bags and our rear fender together. This thing is looking good. Now the fun part begins, man. It's time to take that thing from that to the next stage, dog. I can't wait, man. So we about to get this thing cleaned up, cleared out, and get this thing put together, dog. Just like that, we got our rear fender on there, looking good. So now it's just a matter of freaking getting everything else situated, man. We're gonna pull it sideways, get the side covers on, bags on, break it all the way down to the bag, and then I'll stop right before we get to this outer fairing rather. Alrighty guys, here we are. We got our bags on there. We got our side covers on there. Rear fender is looking good. Definitely looking nice. Now all we've got left to do is unwrap our gas tank, get that thing on there, and then get our freaking front fairing on there, which we left in LA. Now that I'm thinking about it, that's crazy. I knew it was something. That guys, we got that joint on there looking good. Got that purple and gray. Now it's not as bright as that blue was. I'm freaking mad we literally left our whole outer fairing at Antonio's shop. That was like the best part, man. I swear when he sent me a picture of the freaking outer fairing, I was like, oh yeah, that's it. So I'm mad we literally left that thing so where we couldn't get the whole full potential look of this thing. But if we just get it like this, man, I think you guys will freaking really like it. Really nice color, man. I am digging it. Gotta plug some other stuff up. Get this little piece on there, and then the little oil cooler filter, whatever cover. I would put the front fender on there. However, we got to have some risers because we got a set of rims for this bad boy. So we could put it on there to mock it up right now, but it is going to have to come off again. So we'll see what we can get done and put everything else on this thing in the meantime and tidy it up, man. We are starting to see this thing come together, It is looking good. It's looking more so like a burgundy black cherry, but it is a purple, y'all. Looking real sick. Mad we freaking left our outer fairing, but it is what it is, man. We got the front fender on here. We're gonna be snatching these stock wheels off. We got some hard 21-inch wheels coming. The brushed look on those, so that thing will change this whole bike up. It's gonna look really good. Got our bags on here, covers, fender, everything on here ready to go. We can actually spin this bike around real quick. Let's spin that bad boy around, get a better look at it. Cause this thing does look really good, man. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. What y'all think about it, let your boy know in the comments below. Y'all know that gray and that fade is like my favorite thing right now. It's definitely in season. But, man, we not even lost. We forgot the most important part, dog. So, I'm upset about it. The bike could have pretty much been done today. But, all in all, we got to see the potential of it and see where it possibly can go. I can't wait to throw these wheels on here. And the wheels, we got to get a floorboard for it. And then that brake and stuff is on the way. But literally, man, just about done. We were going to freaking color match the inner fairing, but this black is looking pretty decent with the with this color. So I think I might just leave that black. I don't know, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. If you guys haven't entered to win this 2020 Road Glide Special, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy you a burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are giving away this 2020 Road Glide Special, man. So one of you will be lucky enough to win this if you guys go over there and cop a hat right now. Also, it is time to get this thing broken down because this one is heading to Antonio next, man. So I can't wait to throw the oohs and ahs on this one too, just because both of them together is going to look freaking really sick, man. Literally can't wait, man. You guys let me know where's your favorite bike, the Road King or the Road Glide, color excluded. Let me know and why in the comments below. Can't wait though, man. This thing is looking sick. And so since we done checked out the bike, we know it look real good. It's shining up real nice in the sun. Ooh, that back end look cold. Just look at that back end. I ain't gonna hold you. That back end looks so crazy, man. Now we can freaking push this thing down, get it back up against the freaking wall over there, clean up, get that Road King pulled out, and get them parts pulled off real quick. It's not much, but it should be easy to go. Finally, guys, we got all our parts off that we needed to take off. Of course, on the bike, it was only the gas tank. We got every other part already, so that's a plus. We got our bags, side covers, lids. We got our cups. We got the front, the whole front end up here. Gas tank, rear fender. I'm missing a wraparound. I gotta find my wraparound real quick. And there's our wraparound fender, man. So we got everything we need to get this thing painted now. Now it's just time to drop this thing off at the paint shop. Our wheels for this thing will be done the same time we pick up the wheels for the Road Glide. We gotta go get our outer fairing for that, man. There's just a lot of stuff we gotta do in LA, pick up and stuff. So once we come back from LA, we'll have both sets of rims. We'll have the outer fairing for that. We'll be dropping this stuff off at the paint shop. So when we get back here, we'll be able to freaking switch out our lowers. Actually, we can't even switch out those because we got to have the cups, the painted cups, to put those on one final time. So I'm gonna wait till I get the paint stuff back to do the forks, but we can tackle our bars in the meantime, man. So I'm gonna have my buddy come through probably tomorrow or something, or the next couple days, get these bars switched out and looking good. Meanwhile, our fender is still on there because we do have a fender from a another bike here, man. So no big deal. We didn't have to do all that extra work. and everything is here, man, so I can't wait. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We managed to figure it out. We got it all going, man. We got our paint set back for our 2020 Road Glide special. Forgot my outer fairing at Antonio's, man, so I gotta pick that up when we drop that other paint set off. Meanwhile, speaking of other paint set, man, we got all of our stuff for the Road King here ready to go to paint right back there, man, so we got to drop that off as well. I can't wait to see how this thing comes out. Our Road Glide came out sick, but we didn't get that full potential just because I was rushing and forgot the outer fairing at Antonio's, man. So I can't wait to see this thing pull together, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2020 Road Glide special or my 2014 Road King, go ahead and head over to everythingsregular.com, copy your burgundy and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Our 2020 is coming together fast, along with our 14 Road King, man. I can't wait to see these things complete and side by side, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let your boy know what you think about this video in the comments below. We are about to get this show on the road, man. I think our dog Jason is finally on the other side of the coast, so about to pack this stuff up, pack up, and freaking hit the airport and get up out of here, man. So in the meantime, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.